Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video. This week I'll show you one way to draw an optical illusion. Start by drawing a circle, and then we can draw a line down the centre of the circle. Next we can draw a series of curved lines from the top to the bottom of the circle. Now we can repeat these curved lines, this time from the left to the right of the circle. It's sort of like drawing a grid on a spherical shape on a curved surface. Once we have the grid, we can use it as our guidelines for drawing a series of diamond shapes. I start by drawing the two largest diamonds in the centre, and then follow the grid lines as they get smaller as they approach the circumference of the circle, the edge of the circle. So these diamonds need a wavy line above and below them, as like a spacer. We can repeat these diamonds and wavy lines across the surface of the sphere. Once they are in place, add an inner diamond to each of the diamonds, and then go over all the lines with a black pen. The next step is to draw a series of curved lines that fan out to the left and right of the sphere for another curved grid. Now we can fill in the area on the left with a flat grid. No distortions needed in this area as it's a flat surface. Next we can draw a series of horizontal lines on the right to finish the grid lines for our curved grid. Time to fill in the second grid with diamonds. So now we have three grids: the spherical shape, the curved shape behind it and to the right, and the flat shape to the left. And now we can fill in the last grid on the left. Next we need to go over all the diamonds with a black pen, while at the same time adding an inner diamond to each of the shapes, and then dividing this border shape with a short vertical line top and bottom. Next, on the sphere, on the circle, we need to blacken the left-hand side of each of the diamond borders. Now blacken diamonds on the left of the sphere on the left, but blacken the right-hand side of the diamonds on the right of the sphere, on the right-hand side of the drawing. Now we need to choose some colours. I shall try a blue for the inside of these diamonds on the left. This is quite a dark blue, so I'll try a lighter blue on the diamonds on the right-hand side. Again, it takes a while to do, and there are no guarantees that we will see the illusion of movement. Even if it works, the movement will only be tiny. But I do think it's starting to work. If you look at the right part of the drawing, but try to notice the spherical shape on the left at the same time, you might be able to see a little bit of movement between the two shapes. I can see a little movement now in the drawing. I hope you can too. It depends on the size of the screen that you're looking at. A bigger screen would be better. You also need to relax your eyes, which is quite hard when you've been drawing all these lines. Now I have coloured in the gaps yellow, there is a little movement, I think, between the three grids that we've drawn. To me, the light blue diamonds are slowly moving to the left, but if I stare hard, they stop, but when I relax my eyes, they start again. This illusion is based on the way the brain sorts out shapes in areas. The brain sorts out colours in other areas, and movement in other areas of the brain. And in a drawing, if we can get these three areas sort of firing up in the brain at the same time, sometimes you can make the brain get confused by what sort of single perception it wants to show us. It's getting several inputs at the same time which sort of contradict each other, so it doesn't know which one to present to us. I think that's how it works anyway. I hope you like this video. It's either a crazy pattern or an interesting optical illusion. Hopefully it's both. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, to stay up to date with all the drawings that I do. I post a new drawing every week.